which I used are also very, very good. In fact, my judges and my mentor are actually shocked and surprised with the quality of pictures that we have. Students various topics pick chesaru. We have wildlife, we have advertising, we have products, we have street, then we also have portraits. So అన్ని various departments నుంచి మీరు చూసేది వాళ్ళ collection. And I'm very proud of my students, and this is extremely good work. And we also have a lot of sponsors from the organization, photography department. So they are also photography camera people. They've actually seen our works and they're extremely happy to associate with us and to also recruit from us. So we have very good industry demand and our students are doing extremely well. So I'm super proud of this event today, and I wish all my students a very, very great career ahead. Thank you. Ivala we have 108 students. మేము ఇయర్లో ఒకటి చేస్తాము, and these 108 students are only the selected ones. So we have more number of students, but today is a selected, so good works have been exhibited. We welcome everybody to come and see the exhibition because it is extremely good work, and you will not get to see this kind of photography exhibition in the city. So please come. Idi 3 days untundi. We just inaugurated it today. Repu and Ellundi 3 days meeku Nagarjuna Hills lo Hamstech ani ma campus undi, andulo untundandi. So please do come. It is a personal invitation to all. Thank you.
Very happy with the Pixel Perfect this year also. This is I think 3rd or 4th year, and I try to come every year, and the level of work for me I think is really getting better and better. So today I saw a lot of different body of work. There are some travel photography things, there is tabletops, there's wildlife, portraiture, great stuff. So for me to come and see students who start off their career, they don't know much about what they're doing, and then they come and do this kind of work, I think it's a very good thing. So I'm very happy that this year the level has gone up a lot more than every year that it jumps, and the quality of the work is lovely, the presentation is good, I like the printing, I just like everything. It's very nice. So I like the point of view the youngsters have, the young photographers. They don't have that same classic, or sometimes even it can get boring point of view to shoot the same pictures again and again. I like the way they think out of the box, and they come out with things which are a little more different than doing some routine stuff. So I'm liking the creativity, and I'm liking their enthusiasm to do something different from what is out there every day. So I like that. Hamstech is home for me, and I'm very happy, and I love to see the number of students here every year. It's increasing. I love the vibration. As a student, if I was here, I would have loved it. I love the way the ground floor today had those, stalls and games. I'm liking the whole vibe. It's a very good, positive energy where you feel like studying, where you feel like learning, because after all, it's a very creative field. So I like that atmosphere that Hamstech has created. It's really nice to, come here and study. I'm sure it must be a great experience. So every year I give the same message, which I'll give this year also, is that don't get happy with your work quickly. Look at the amount of fantastic stuff happening all over the world. Look at the Instagram pictures of everybody. The level of work has really gone up all over the world. So don't get happy with your own work very easily. Be very self-critical and make sure that whatever you shoot falls into a category which is eye-catching. Don't do something that is normal.
Good evening everyone. Myself Aishwarya. My picture is about portrait. I want to click portrait. Why? Because I want to show a makeup of the girl. Actually my theme is a Bharatanatyam. I want to show all the makeup, and I want to observe the eyes in the portrait. Actually, the portrait is observed more in the eyes only. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is DK Praneeth. I'm a freelance photographer and I'm a part of Hamstech college. So the idea behind the photos I clicked is I like nature and landscape very much. So always I've had a lot of interest in landscape, but this is a different approach that I've tried to click from a flight. So all my faculties and everyone has supported me very much, and they supported me with the post production work and everything. So I've also submitted these photos in many other competitions and all. So the result was pretty good for my hard work, and I'm really enjoying my career. Thank you.
I took a concept of the face painting, and the concept really behind the picture is the double face, and a face behind a black and face behind a white. It's and another picture comes to is a pixels, and it's a face painting and pixels are elevating. That's it. Thank you.